In July 2021, I looked at a photo of myself and I did not recognize the woman in it. I was shocked. And it wasn't just the extra weight, it was the overall sadness in my eyes. The spark had gone. I was exhausted. I was feeling really heavy, fighting a silent battle with myself day in and day out. A few months prior to July 2021, I had sold my business and also ended a long-term toxic relationship. So in that moment, as I was looking at the picture, I decided to take my life back. I started with one small step, DDP yoga, and I was familiar with the program as back in 2018. I tried it for a few days after watching Arthur's amazing transformation, but the program felt very slow for me, too slow. But this time I committed. I paid for a subscription for 1 month and I decided to do every day one session. I also cut out all the sugar, all the white flour, and most importantly, all the excuses. Day by day, my weight shifted and the energy increased. That first month transformed into a 3-month-long membership and then a year-long membership. And now we are 4 years later. Not only I lost over 73 pounds, but I rebuilt myself. I found my strength again. I found my clarity again, even my sanity. And most importantly, I found my spark again. From my whole heart, I can say that DDP Yoga has saved my life. Because I believe so much in DDP Yoga, this year I became an instructor because I want to inspire others the way this practice has changed my life. Today I climb mountains, literally and metaphorically. I live with joy, gratitude, and a mission to show you that's possible. This is my channel. Here we don't just talk about yoga, we talk about transformation and taking your life back and becoming the woman or the man you're always meant to be. Welcome. This is your time.